Hello, I'm Haley Teller. I'm the president of Trapp State's favorite a cappella group, Lost in Sound. I've searched all over this campus for the most hardworking, passionate, talented, loving people I could find. But then these guys showed up. Oh, no, I'm kidding. I love my babies. But no, yeah, we're all right.
I'm Mia DeLong. I'm secretary. I'm in this group because I love music more than I hate people, I guess. I'm on exec because I hate the idea of people bossing me around. So now I boss them around. Do the kids hate me? Probably. Do I care? Yeah, but I'm not gonna let them know that.
My name is Megan Franklin. I'm the music director for Lost in Sound. I'm responsible for arranging the music, teaching it to everyone, and, making sure we sound good. It's a work in progress.
Okay guys, we're doing great. Almost learned a whole song. Yeah, it doesn't quite sound the best yet, but we'll get there. We're kind of scratching everything else because
Because it sounds like garbage.
No. Seems a little too hard. Megan arranged "Hooked on a Feeling" by Blue Suede for us, so I know this is going to be one.
Alright guys, everyone get in your sections. We're gonna start warm-ups. Mia, are we missing anybody?
VP's missing, but that's not new.
And just start without her, she's always late.
3, 4.
I'm Alan Milson. I'm the vice president, and I'm here because it'll look good on my resume. And I'm also trying to get in the president's pants.
Alright guys, let's start warming up, yeah?
We already were doing.
Haley, look at those pants. I like that color on you and your glasses, little ethnic Clark Kent.
Dude, you wiggle me.
It's just my perfume.
Is it Dank by Gucci?
We all get along. We work well together. I mean, we have our issues, but every family does. Right?
We have a situation.
Lost in Sound has been invited to a showcase. All the a cappella groups are going to be there. We're going to sing a song or two.
Here's the deal. We suck.
We haven't gotten through a single song yet.
We always give up if it's too hard, or disagree or something.
If we mess up, this reflects badly on me. I'm the music director.
We're
Alright guys, we're starting Hooked on a Feeling tonight. Tenors, altos, sopranos.
I can't wait. I know we're going to do great.
What'd she say? We're gonna do great. God, she's so cute. Yeah, we're gonna do great.
You know what?
This.
Here, where are you going?
I quit. I am tired of this. I am better than this. And staying here, my talent is wasted.
Think you're better than all of us?
You can't read music like some illiterate animals. And you can't keep pitch to save your lives. I'm sorry to hear that.
If you don't like it, you're just leave.
What the hell do you think I've been doing?
Honestly, I've just been staring at Haley's ass.
Seriously?
Jesus Christ.
You know what? I'm gonna be better off trying out for strong tries or another chord.
To quit. She sent us an email. A really inappropriate, mean email, but I'm not gonna read it because I don't want to start any kind of drama or anything.
Quite a few thoughts crossed my mind during today's rehearsal, such as this is the unholy trinity of obese lesbians, love songs, and uncomfortably close social interaction.
I would rather keep my distance than be choked to death with so many people around me. Same.
I was already thinking about leaving this godforsaken group in the first place. Personally, I would recommend that instead of singing, you all get a gym membership. I feel like that would be a better option since that way you won't die of diabetes.
Perhaps it is no coincidence that your name is Lost in Sound, since the sound most certainly is lost.
I wish to respect your privacy, so I'm sorry.
So, we lost a soldier last week, but we keep carrying on. We're over halfway through with Hooked on a Feeling, and it doesn't sound that bad. Like, we can start auditioning for soloists soon, and we've never gotten this far in a song before.
Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
I
ooga
can't
chaka,
stop
ooga,
this
ooga,
feeling.
ooga chaka, ooga,
Deep
ooga,
inside of
ooga,
me.
ooga, ooga chaka, ooga,
Girl,
ooga,
you
ooga
just
chaka,
don't realize
ooga, ooga
what you
chaka,
did to me.
ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga.
And I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on belief.
I don't know why I was excited.
We decided to give Jackson the solo. He sounded the best for sure. We pretty much finished the whole song. We're just, working out the kinks. What the are you guys getting this?
I don't want to talk about it.
Today's the day that a judge is going to come in and decide if we're going to be good enough for this showcase. We're all pretty nervous because we've never sang in front of a whole group of people like this before.
I bet we all start a fist fight before the chorus.
Hey everyone, this is Eliza. She's gonna judge us and decide whether we're good enough to perform in this showcase. So everyone get in your sections. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
I
ooga
can't
chaka,
stop
ooga,
this
ooga,
feeling
ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
deep
ooga chaka,
inside
ooga,
of me.
ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
Girl,
ooga
I
chaka,
just
ooga,
don't
ooga, ooga
realize
chaka, ooga, ooga,
what you do
ooga
to
chaka,
me.
ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga,
When you
ooga,
hold me
ooga chaka, ooga,
in your
ooga,
arms
ooga
so
chaka,
tight,
ooga,
you let me
ooga,
know
ooga chaka, ooga,
everything's
ooga chaka,
alright.
ooga, ooga.
I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
We did it! We finally did it! I arranged a song and, they did it! I taught it to them! We finally did it!
I'm really excited for this performance. Our first performance. We finally figured out how everything clicks. We're ready to learn more songs and grow as a group and as a family. No, couldn't do it.
So we're dating.
We've been dating for 4 months.
Don't tell them that. Whoops. We're just really excited that the group finally got a footing, and now we can continue to get better and better.
And who knows, maybe next year we'll win acapella again.
We can't win acapella again. There's different groupings and titles.
We win it all.
Oh my god.
Now the only thing we have to worry about is the performance.
2, 3, go. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da, 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 da-da-da-da.